In today's video, how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Open your browser and log in into your Shopify account. Select your store you want to close. If you have multiple stores, make sure you choose the correct one. Click on your name at the top right corner of the screen to open the drop-down menu. Select Manage Account from drop-down menu. On the General page, select Security option under General Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Security page. Logout of every device except one you are currently using. Click on the logout button next to each device, such as your mobile phone or other computers. Disable two-factor authentication if it's enabled. This can be found in the two-factor authentication section. Delete any login service you have used in the past for security reasons. Now go back to main Shopify page and click on Settings button at the bottom right corner. Select Plan section. Remove and unsubscribe from any third-party apps connected to your Shopify store to avoid any charge after closing your store. Ensure all applications are uninstalled. Click on Deactivate Store option in the Plan section. Provide reason for closing your store when prompted. Acknowledge that you will lose access to your Shopify admin, including sales data, reports, products, and customer information. This information will be retained for 2 years if you decide to reactivate your store. Then click on Deactivate to finalize process. Wait a couple of seconds and Shopify store will be deactivated. Then you will see confirmation message stating that your store will be stored for 2 years and you can reactivate it anytime if you change your mind.